What's up, guys? Welcome back to another vlog. ZTube here. We're here with Traveltainment. We're at the beach, Coco Beach, as you can see.
Yeah. So guys, we are at the Coco Beach experience. We are from having lunch. Big fish, so delicious.
Sometimes like all you want to do is run. Hear me out, hear me out. If all the things you never show, there are the things I want to know. Secrets
Oh my God, this place is so beautiful. Do you believe it? I think next time I'm coming with a drone so that I can show you the beauty of this place. But unfortunately, I mean, it never crossed my mind to be here because I've never been here. That's bad. Hey guys, oh, do you believe it? We are at Coco Beach. Coco Beach in Salaam. Very beautiful place, guys. Very, very beautiful. And it's sunny. I know in Zambia it's rainy and muddy. So this place is known as Coco Beach, and this is Indian Ocean. Yes, so this is the Indian Ocean. And there are a lot of vessels. Maybe you can show there, it may not be here because we can't zoom. Yeah. There are some vessels. What happened to those vessels?
So those vessels, they are packed, they are waiting to go and offload at the port. You know, they can't go, a lot of them at the port. So they need to park until they are caught, that's when they can go and offload.
Also, it is to avoid them being over
congested in the port.
Okay, to be over congested in the port. So that's why, because I can see massive ones and I'm seeing a lot of containers. Wow, so they are there. And why is this place known as Coco Beach? Coco. Where does Coco come from?
Because there's a lot of cocoa around.
Look at the trees. So these palm trees, they have got coconuts. So that's where the name Coco Beach. So Coconut Beach is a beach where there are coconuts. Wow. Just having very nice time here. Yeah. Wow. This is beautiful, sunny day. But here in Dar es Salaam, Tanzania. Oh. So it's just very therapeutical. So this is what we thought we should do while waiting for our vehicles, guys. So I came to pick a vehicle. This is what we do when we come here. We can clear your vehicle. So that's why you need to get in touch with us. For example, I came to pick a Mitsubishi Canter. And my friend here, please tell them.
I came to pick Quantum, Toyota Quantum.
Quantum,
yeah.
But he's also got a team. He has also brought along some guys because, most of the time he picks up more than one vehicle. This time around, how many are they?
He came to pick 5 vehicles this time. Yeah.
Can you hear 5? Last time when we did a video in Nakonde, he had 7. So you can imagine I have 1, he has 5. So we are just waiting for our clearing agents to clear the vehicles. That's why we came here to give you this content, guys. Here at Coco Beach. Oh, on a sunny day. Beautiful. Guys, it's really hot and it's really sunny, and that is when we are not even wearing sunglasses. It's really hot here at Coco Beach. So we are just going to find something to eat. But we are still around. Take a look at the arrangement. I can imagine, just imagine a drone shot here. The drone shot would be way beautiful. Guys, just relaxing at the Coco Beach at a restaurant. We are about to see the menu. It must be something, of course, we must eat something that comes from the Indian, from the ocean there. It's so hot, guys, but so what can we do? We can't control the weather. We just have to adapt. So we are waiting to have something to eat, fish related. Oh, the fish is here, guys. Take a look. Look at how my friend is doing it. Adding some lemon to the fish. Now, what is surprising that this fish doesn't look like the exact bream or tilapia we know in Zambia. It has got a different head. You will see what happens. So let's see. We'll dig in. Let's dig in. Yeah. So guys, we are at the Coco Beach experience. We are from having lunch. Big fish, so delicious, nice experience while waiting for cars here. This is what we do. Comment down below, have you been to a beach like this one? So this is where I came with my friend ZTube. You also need to check out his YouTube channel. This is not the first time we are meeting, neither is it the last time. So if you want to know more about cars, delivering cars, if you order a car from Japan and you need them to be delivered, don't hesitate to contact us, guys. That's what we do. So this is the time where we are waiting for cars to be processed. So from here, that is exactly where we are going. So check out the beautiful place, yeah, beautiful environment. peaceful people of Tanzania. This is how...
Salaam is the Tokyo of Africa. It's like the Tokyo of Africa. It's the Miami of Africa.
Hey, exactly. This is the Caribbean of Africa.
Yeah.
So that's the video. So subscribe, guys.
Notification bells.
So make sure.